Okay, so here it is. Haha, just kidding. You have to watch like 2 more minutes of this video before you can see it. Sorry, haha. Hello my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mia Sanchez, Mia K Sanchez, and I make technology, college, and lifestyle content. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I worked on at Google this past summer 2020. So summer 2020 I was a Google STEP intern. The STEP program is a 12-week program that kind of introduces students to software engineering. The program allowed me to learn a lot of different skills technically, but then also just in the professional space. Applications for the STEP program are live now. I encourage you all to go apply. I will leave a link down below. I was on the Geo team, so like my managers were pretty much working on when you're on Google Maps mobile and you click on like a restaurant or you want to like scroll through restaurants, that place sheet or that like big thing that shows up on the screen, that's what my managers were working on. So the interns I was working with, we wanted to create a product that was still in like the Google Maps and restaurant space. So that's how we came up with the product, MacMatch. MacMatch, we like to think about it as the Tinder for restaurants. So it either matches a user or a group of users slash friends to one restaurant. We wanted to solve the age-old problem of never knowing where to eat or never being able to decide where to eat. So have no fear, MacMatch is here. Entire project was open source and I reached out to the intern team just to make sure that I could share this information with y'all, and we're good, y'all. I'm not gonna get sued. No NDAs here. Before I actually demo this product to y'all, I wanted to talk about some of the languages and technologies that we use to actually create this. So we use React. React is a JavaScript library that can allow you to make HTML code into components so that you can reuse HTML code, so that was really useful. We used Java for the recommendation algorithm and some backend stuff. We used Firebase for the database stuff to store users' information and a session with the swipe match page. We did use CSS for styling. And then getting into some APIs, we used the Google Geolocation API to actually get a user's location if they clicked a specific button. We used the Zomato API to get cuisines in a user's like given radius. We used the Google Places API to get more information about restaurants so that we could display their website, their phone number, different things like that. We use the Google Maps API to actually have a Google map on our page, which you guys will see. And then we did use the Google Authentication API so that a user could actually log in with their Google account. And you have to do this in order to create a swipe match session, which again, y'all will see in just a few. Those were all the different technologies that I used, and now we can just get into actually demoing the website. But before I do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll wait. Okay, so now that you're subscribed and you've liked this video and you hopefully hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every time I post a video, let's just get into this demo. Hey y'all, it's voiceover Mia here. So this is the homepage of our website. It's called MacMatch. So MAK is the initials of each of the interns who was working on this. So we just kind of came up with a random name. So here is the home page. So first we have a little section about what we do. And so again, our goal is to help you find a perfect restaurant match. And then another feature that we have is called Swipe Match, which pretty much just lets you decide on a restaurant with a group of friends. So that's pretty much the home page. Once you scroll back up to the top, you can see that there's an option to enter your location. So once you enter your location, 2 buttons come up, and so these are the 2 main functionalities of our product. We have the Find My Match and the Swipe Match. So Find My Match is for an individual user who's looking for a restaurant. So we give you a pretty much form that you can fill out with some of your personal preferences, including cuisines that you like, an ideal distance from you, a preferred price level, and a dining experience. And you can also rank these in order of importance. So if you really care about how far something is, you can prioritize distance over maybe, let's say, price, which might not be as important. So all of the preferences that are inputted into this form are used in the algorithm to help us match you with the perfect restaurant. So we take all of these different things, and from there we're going to put it into the Google Places API to kind of help find a restaurant that matches you. So then you click Find My Match, and now we're putting the 1s and 0s to work to find your best match. And then this is pretty much the match page. So we return a list of 20 restaurants to you, and then we also show it on a map relative to you. So you can parse through these 20 restaurants either on the left side by looking at the restaurant card, which has more info on the restaurant, and then on the right side it just shows you all the restaurants on the map, and you can click on one and then it will actually take you to that corresponding restaurant card. So this is pretty much how we display the information to you about what restaurant we think will be your perfect match. And then just to kind of say it again, here we use the Google Maps API, we use the Google Places API to get the restaurants and get information on the restaurants. We use the geolocation API to get a user's location. And now we're back on the home page so that I can show y'all the swipe match feature. So swipe match lets you decide on a restaurant between a group of friends, or more specifically, it matches a restaurant to a group of friends. So here a session has been created and we're just in the waiting room waiting for the host to start the session. So once the host starts the session, each user that's in the session gets this pretty much stack of 20 restaurant cards that they get to swipe right or swipe left on, which is for interested or not interested. So again, we really took inspiration from Tinder, and we said we wanted this product to be the Tinder of restaurants, so that's why we have the swipe functionality. So as everyone in the session begins to swipe right and swipe left on things, we see this ranking side getting updated, and so pretty much what's happening here is it's getting updated based on the restaurants that have the most swipe rights. So right now the restaurant at the top, Little Italy Pizza, has the most swipe rights from everyone in the session, and then as you go down you get less and less. And then you can see here that Little Italy Pizza is the one that all of us wanted to go to, so that's the restaurant that's recommended to us. So that's the swipe match page. I don't think there's a limit on the number of users that can be in one session. So again, the point of this is to recommend restaurants to a group of users, so that again, deciding on where one wants to eat can be a lot easier, because I know that amongst me and my friends, deciding where to eat is always a problem. Okay y'all, so that was what I was working on for the second half of my internship. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions about either this product or the program that I was in, the STEP program, please leave them in the comments down below. Please, if you are a freshman or sophomore in college right now, please apply to the STEP program. Please apply. Please, I need you to apply to this. Please. Don't doubt yourself, believe that you can do it. Just hit the apply button, please. Like, please apply. If you have any questions or want advice, I'm here for y'all. Be sure to watch my video about my experience applying to that program. I am here for y'all. I'm here to help y'all. I want to help y'all, and I want to see all of y'all thrive, flourish, succeed, all of that. So, I hope y'all enjoyed. But with that being said, I'll see y'all in my next video.